Alright kiddos, this is Retake's Unit 10 exam for angles, and this is for Section B, those students who missed a question on Section B. This is a review. Fill in the notes on your assignment. Okay, so this picture is on your notes, and it's very important that there's a step process that I want all of us to do. So here's what I want you to do. If you have this right now, I just want you to draw a line through the lower section for the notes. These lower numbers we're going to completely ignore just for this video. We're only going to work with the top row of numbers. First thing I want you to do, anytime you get a problem like this, is you write the angle where this line crosses off to the side. So for angle A, it crosses the top number at 0. So I'm going to put 0 degrees. Okay. B crosses between 20 and 30, and it's a little bit past 25, so it's like 26 degrees. So it's like a speedometer. So as I pass 40 miles an hour and I keep going right here, I'm not quite to 45, so I'm going to say it's 44 degrees. Okay, now I keep going along, past 60, past 65, that's 66, this is about 67 degrees. Okay, now E crosses at 90 degrees. F crosses at 126. Alright, I want you to pause the video and do G, H, J, and L, and then I want you to see how your answers compare to mine. So pause the video. Seriously, pause the video. Pause the video. Alright, welcome back. Alright, we cross, this is 140, 150, that's 160, it crosses right at 160, so G is 160. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got that right. H is 164. J crosses 170, but it's not quite to 175, so it's 174. And L crosses at the top number right here is 180, so it's 180 degree. Alright, now what we're supposed to do is supposed to measure angle FKA. So what I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to work in this color, and I know that F is right here, it's 126, and F is bigger than A, so I'm going to write F first. So I'm going to do 126 degrees for F, and A is 0 degrees. It's just going to subtract them. The answer is 126 degrees. So angle FKA is 126 degrees. Alright, let's look at the next one. BKL. Angle BKL, let's see, B, where are you at? Here you are. So B is right here, and L is right here. L is bigger, so I'm going to start with L. So L is 180 degrees. And B is 26 degrees. Now we just subtract. Okay, can't take 6 away from 0, so I have to borrow from the tens digit. That becomes a 7. This becomes a 10. 10 take away 6 is 4. 7 take away 2 is 5. And 1 take away nothing is 1. So our answer for angle BKL is 154 degrees. Cool. Alright, now we have angle CKG. Alright, let's find C. Here you are. Here's C. And we're going to K. And then we're going back up to G, which is right here. Alright, so G is bigger, so we'll start with G. And I'll just do the work right here. So G is 160 degrees. C is 44 degrees. Now I just find the difference and I'll have my angle. Okay, 0 take away 4, can't do that, so I have to borrow from the tens. That becomes a 7. This becomes a 10. Alright, 10 take away 4 is 6. 7 take away 4 is 3. Hold on. If I'm borrowing from the 6, that should go down. That should be a 5. Whoops. 5 take away 4 is 1. Bring down the 1, 116 degrees. Alright, so angle CKG is 116 degrees. Alright, last we have angle HKD. Angle HKD, so let's find H. H is right here. And D, which is right here. Okay? H is bigger, so we're going to do H first. So I'm going to put H. H is 164 degrees. And D is 67 degrees. By the way, I expect to see all of this work on your retake. I want to see the subtraction. I want to see you label each of these. You should do this on the test as well. Had you done this on the test, you probably wouldn't be watching this video.
Interruption. 7th and 8th grade teachers.
Quick. Alright, so 4 take away 7, can't do it, so I got to borrow from here. That becomes a 5. This becomes a 14. 14 take away 7 is 7 degrees. 5 take away 6, can't do that, got to borrow. That becomes a 0. This becomes 15. 15 take away 6 is 9. And 0 take away 0, nothing. So, angle H, and this is angle D. Angle HKD is 97 degrees. Once again, first step, cross out the bottom line on this protractor. Second step, measure the top row, measure all the different angles on the protractor, write them out like this. Next step is you subtract the larger angle from the bottom, or from the smaller angle, and that gives you the measure of any of these angles. Okay? Thank you, and I'll see you in class. Make sure you have everything written on here, or you're going to have to redo the video.